0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 28. Discussion with stranger when we meet for the first time. A person meets a stranger who is not from his country. It is his first meeting with that stranger, so he wants to know about him. He comes to the second person, who is not from his country, and starts talking with him. The talks go as follows.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine. And how are you?
I am fine too, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Habib.
Well, Habib, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Zamarudin.
Where do you belong?
Yes, I belong to India.
You are from India. Well, what is your complete address?
Yes, my complete address is house number 6, Asariyah apartment, Jogabai, Jamia Nagar, Akla, New Delhi.
How old are you?
I am 43 years old.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married, alhamdulillah.
What is your occupation?
I am a teacher.
Okay, Mr. Teacher, how long have you been living here?
I have been here for years.
So, you live alone here or do you live with your family?
No, I am with my family.
Why have you come here?
I have come here for my job.
Your job is a government or a private one?
Yes, my job is government, and I'm here as a government teacher.
That is very good.
Yes, it is. Alhamdulillah.
Mashallah, have you gotten a flat from the government or do you live in your rental flat?
Yes, I have been given everything by the government.
Happy to know. How is your flat?
This is a very good flat.
I've heard that government flats are good. What floor do you live on?
I live on the 5th floor.
How many children do you have?
Yes, I have 4 children, 3 sons and 1 daughter.
Where do your children study?
They study in a government school here.
So, you pay the fee or the government pays?
No, the government pays the fee.
MashaAllah, you are so lucky.
Alhamdulillah.
Did you like my country?
Yes, I like this country so much, and I am very happy here.
Wow, thank you.
You are welcome, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your time. I am leaving you now. We'll meet again, Insha'Allah.
Okay, thank you too. We'll see you soon, Insha'Allah.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.